Grasshopper. Once upon a time, in a beautiful forest, there were an ant and a grasshopper, good friends. It was the time of summer, and the grasshopper was enjoying the fine weather and playing all day. He was dancing, swimming and singing. Meanwhile, the ant and her family were working very hard every day to collect food for winter. He saw her friend ant and asked her,
"My friend, what are you doing in this fine weather?"
The ant said, "I was gathering some food and was building a shelter for winter." The grasshopper laughed and teased her.
"This is spring now, it's the time to enjoy."
But the ant ignored him and go to work. A few days later, winter came, and it started snowing. The whole jungle is covered in snow. There was no food available anywhere. So the helpless grasshopper came to the ant's shelter and pleaded,
"Oh dear ant, please give me shelter and something to eat."
The ant replied, "I'm sorry, my friend, but my food is just enough for my family to last until the end of winter. If I give you more, we too will starve. We had the entire summer to prepare for the winter, but you chose to play instead." The grasshopper was very upset when the ant offered him some food. Now, the grasshopper had understood why the ant was working so hard in the summer. The grasshopper had realized the value of hard work. Moral: it is important to use your time well and add meaning to your life.